As an expedition filmmaker, I didn't expect my most memorable moment in the Chilean fjords to occur while sailing. As we approached the White Narrows, where the tide creates vast currents that tear through the narrowest points between the fjords, I was filled with anticipation and excitement. I also felt nervous in the knowledge that many ships fail to pass through this challenging stretch of water. The ship's captain sent a team ahead in a Zodiac to check the conditions and relay information back to the bridge. When the time was right, it would be full steam ahead. I was in awe as the ship powered through this intense landscape of rocky cliffs and minuscule islands. I used a drone to capture the moment from above. Observing from this aerial perspective, I was astounded by the knowledge of our crew and the spectacular yet potentially unforgiving fjords of Patagonia.